Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can add voiceover to our Instagram reels. So for that, get logged into your Instagram account, select this plus button. From here, select reel. Once you've added your reel, what you have to do is you will see this mic icon, and this is exactly how you can voice over your voice. So tap onto it. And likewise, it will ask you to start your voiceover. As soon as you tap on this white button that is showing right here, it will record your voice. And once done, you may go ahead add your voice right here. It will also see a waves of your voice. So go ahead, tap on this arrow button on your top right. And once you do so, you may go ahead, type in your caption, select share, and now this reel will contain your voice. So guys, this is how easy it is. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.